In this video we will find out the equivalent resistance in series combination. So I consider this is your R1, R2, R3 are the resistances which are connected in series combination, and this R1, R2, R3 further connected to the battery through this key. As I closed this key, the current start flowing through these resistances. Let the current be I, and the potential of the battery is capital V. Now here we have already discussed in the previous one video, that is, if the resistances are in series combination, then the current through these resistances is constant and the total potential is equal to the sum of individual potentials. So that is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Here V1 is a potential drop across R1, V2 is a potential drop across R2, and V3 is a potential drop across R3. So if you apply Ohm's law to these resistances, as the current is constant, so using Ohm's law, V1 is equal to, so what is the potential drop? V1 will be equal to IR. Current in this one is I, and what is its resistance? R1. Similarly, what is the potential drop across this resistor? So V2 will be equal to IR. So I current is here is same, that is I, and resistance is R2. Similarly, V3 will be equal to how much? It is I R3. Now put this value of potential drop in this above equation. So what we get? Total potential is equal to IR1 plus IR2 V2, and V3 is what? IR3. Take I common, so we get I, it is R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is your potential of the battery. Aim of this problem is to find out the equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance means we want to replace these three resistances by a single resistor which will draw the same amount of current with same battery. Mean to say that जो ये तीनों इकट्ठे मिलके कोई काम करते हैं, so that this will do single-handedly. For example, suppose I want to carry some goods from this place to this place. This can be done either by the 3 tempos or 1 truck. So we can say that 1 truck is equivalent to 3 tempos. Similarly, here also this resistance is equivalent to these 3 resistances in series combination. Equivalent resistance is a single resistance which will draw the same amount of current as drawn by the resistances in combination. So here also I want to know what is the potential drop across this resistor. So here the V will be equal to IR. So current here it is I, and what is the resistance? R equivalent. So this is our potential we have calculated for equivalent resistance, and this is for simple 3 resistances. So if you compare both, so what we get? I R equivalent is equal to I R1 plus R2 plus R3. I get cancel out, so R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is your equivalent resistances in series combination. So whenever we calculate the equivalent resistance in series combination, we just add the individual resistances. We have 4 resistances which are in series combination, and the resistance of first one is 4, 2, 1 and 6 ohm. I want to find out what is the equivalent resistance. Means I want to replace these 4 resistances by a single resistance. So the value of this resistance will be equal to R equivalent will be the sum of individual resistances, that is 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 6. So it is 6, 12, 13 ohm. So total resistance of this one is 13 ohm. So this is your all about this much. Thanking you.